delicious! Look at this fantastic blueberry cake, a waterfall of blueberries on a purple buttercream icing coating. Oh, delicious. Start with a vanilla cake or cake of your choice. Chocolate would be interesting too. We're layering it with purple buttercream icing and coating the entire outside too. As usual, we want to smooth that over nicely so we can get ready to decorate. We're going to freeze this one for 20 minutes, so there's a little twist for you. That makes the icing kind of set and it's easier to cut the cake. We're cutting out an indent in one side. Now we're going to pipe on more purple buttercream icing just to cover the cakey bit. Smoothing that over. Ready to add our blueberries. They will very nicely stick on, just like this. Covering the entire indented part. And a little bit more. And down the side too. So it looks like the blueberries are overflowing from the cake, pouring out from the inside. And you can add a few mint leaves for a finishing touch, because the green looks absolutely fantastic and refreshing against the purple and the blue. What else could you add? Maybe some other berries or fruits of your preference. You could try this same cake idea using different fruits and different coloured buttercream icing, even different cake in the middle. Why not give it a go? Very delicious! Check out this delicious fruit fresh cream cake. Ooh, yum! It's actually pretty easy to make. You just slice up some fresh fruit of your liking. We are choosing strawberries. Cutting the end off and then cutting them lengthways like this. And a kiwi which has been peeled. Nice thin slices. There we go. And a mango. Slicing it all along. And then just using a spoon to ease out the segments. Perfect. Time to just lay our fruit out on a tray. Now we're going to get a vanilla cake which we made earlier, or you can buy it pre-made from the store if you don't have time to make it yourself. And we're layering it with syrup, buttercream icing, fruit, more buttercream icing, and then more cake. And we're going to use a different fruit in each layer. So we start with strawberries. Now it's mango. Then last but not least, kiwi. Let's cover the entire outside in whipped cream. If you don't want to use whipped cream, you could use maybe a vegan alternative such as coconut cream. You could also use cream cheese, that's very nice cream cheese frosting. Even buttercream icing, anything that you can stick your slices of fruit on. Decorate it as you wish, as much or as little as you like. And then we're going to kind of bury those in with more cream. We don't want to cover the fruit, but we want it to reach the edge of the fruit. Some more whipped cream on top. And final pieces of fruit for presentation. Bigger chunks this time. A few fondant flower decorations. It's all in the finishing touches, you know. Look at that. Isn't she beautiful? Super creamy, super fresh. Even got fruit in it. So kind of healthy. Go on. I know you want to. Check out this really cool citrusy stamp cake. That's right, we are going to be using real fruit to make stamps with food colouring. How cool is that? Just get your basic vanilla cake or whichever cake you prefer. Layer it with some buttercream icing. Coat the outside in it too and smooth it over. Now we can have fun with some fondant. Get some icing sugar and sprinkle it on a chopping board and roll out your white fondant icing. Nice and thin, big enough to wrap around the entire outside of the cake. You can use some scissors to just snip off the excess. Push it down to perfect it. Then slice around with a cutter. That was easy, wasn't it? Time to decorate and get a lemon or an orange, whatever you prefer. Chop off one end and paint on some food colouring. We're using orange food colouring. You can use a little paintbrush to put that on. Or just dip it. And start stamping all around the sides. If you want, you can get even more colourful and use rainbow colours. We're sticking with orange for now. Then you can have more fun with fondant by making a fondant lemon and some leaves and stick those on the top for a finishing touch. Or use candies. What do you prefer? And there you have it. Very simple to do. And I tell you what, if you get the kids involved, they are going to have a ball doing this. Yum. Let's get zesty with this fantastic orange faulty line cake. As per usual, Nyam Nyam is bringing the best recipes to life. Start with a basic vanilla cake or a cake of your choice and layer with yellow buttercream icing. Nice and bright. Use a food piping bag for ease. Cover the outside of the cake too in a thin layer of buttercream icing and smooth it over. Once that's done, you can add some orange slices. Whole slices, half, quarter, whatever you like, around the middle of your cake. Make sure you leave a gap underneath and above. Do you know why? Because we're going to add more buttercream icing. Dark yellow underneath and a lighter yellow on top. Smoothing both of those over. And then painting around the edges with some gold food colouring. The devil's in the detail. Using a thin-tipped paintbrush to do this will make it much easier. And adding some orange slices on top for a finishing touch. Lovely. Why not a few edible flowers too? There you go, edible leaves as well. You can even add a few sprigs of mint, a few slices of lemon, some sprinkles, whatever makes it look refreshing, really. And then dig in. Look at that tripled layered gorgeousness. If you love a bit of fresh fruit and cake, then why not put them together for this wonderful fresh fruit buttercream cake? Yum yum. Let's start. All you need is a basic vanilla cake. You can buy it from the store or make it a day earlier, whatever is manageable for you, and then layer it with buttercream icing piped on through a food piping bag. Several layers have gone on there, and then we're covering the whole cake in buttercream icing. Yay! We always smooth it over so we can decorate it. Piping on some pink buttercream icing along the top. And using a flat knife or spatula to just swipe it sideways, like a hook. And then swiping it along the top as well, so you get a little dash of pink in amongst the white. Place your berries on top. We've got blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. You can use any berries you like, or in fact, any fruit you like. Perhaps choose the fruit of season. A few strawberry leaves going on there, because a sprig of green always looks great. Some pearl sprinkles, small ones, big ones. And there you have it. That was really easy to make, and the result is so effective. Wow, amazing. Sweet delish, and fresh too. Dig in.